I have a lot of friends who have started multi-billion-dollar companies, and I talk to a lot of them. I'm like, what do you want more of in your life? And there's not many things that they want more of. The only thing that they really all want more of is time. Our whole thesis at HF0 is around subtraction rather than addition. Where every other VC is trying to add value to value add, what we do is we essentially audit the founder's time and we figure out every single thing that is taking up time in their life that isn't building product or selling product, and we subtract that from their life.
Tell me who's joining the program.
So you have founders like Alex Atala, the founder and CTO of OpenSea, Andrew D'Souza, the founder of Clearbank. We've had 8 repeat unicorn founders join over the last year alone, and we only work with 10 teams at a time. So it's like 4 of the 10 teams in this current batch are repeat unicorn founders. 2 of their companies actually went public.
Why do you think they're joining your program?
As a repeat founder, your problems are unique to your success. You're probably angel investing, advising startups, you're speaking at conferences. Most of them are engaged or married. They have a thriving social life. They have like a lot going on, but they know that that wasn't the recipe that made their first company successful. And so they view HF0 as this, almost this button they can press that just like subtracts everything from their life so they can drop back into the zone and birth their life's work.
Tell me about the criteria that these founders need to meet before you accept them into the program.
The things that we actually look for in those founders are 3 things. Number 1 is grit. Number 2 is storytelling ability. And number 3 is product sense. We look for the teams that don't ship on a quarterly cadence, not even on like a monthly or a weekly cadence, but like in 2 days ship product. And then in the 12-week residency, they start moving so quickly. A lot of the founders say that they make 2 years of progress in 12 weeks in HF0.
So Dave, tell me about your vision and the future of venture capital.
The analogy that I give is what we're doing today in venture is we're taking like the top Olympic athletes in the world, the like highest performers in the world, and we're giving them money and telling them like, see you at the Olympics. But no, what do we do for Olympic athletes? We take care of everything in their life. We get them dialed in with like the best coach in the world, the best dietitian, the best nutritionist, the best trainer, and then we surround them with the other best athletes in their field. And so I think that's what we're doing at HF0. And so I think in 20 years, like 30 to 40%, maybe even more than that, the most successful companies will have originated in residencies like HF0. And in the same way, like 50 years ago, you had this whole wave of venture funds, this whole kind of field was like pioneered. I think we're pioneering this idea of the residency fund.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Yeah, thank you.